Is localized security to cleanup logic reporting the Incinerator Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Incinerator Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Incinerator Library, a specialized secure file shredder module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of multipass data overwriting to prevent forensic recovery. It facilitates the secure destruction of file manifests and coordinates the low-level disk data link. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Unlike system-wide DLLs, Incinerator Library DLL is unique to the localized security/cleanup logic environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Incinerator Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Incinerator Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Incinerator Library. Thank you for trusting us with Incinerator Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.